discussed with Mr. Mayers his right to testify?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you also discussed his right not to testify?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mayers, do you hear what Mr. Tacopina just said?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with what he has said? Just said?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to get on the stand and give your side of the case. You understand and accept that?
I do understand and I accept.
Also, you have a right under the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution not to testify. You cannot be compelled to testify. It's totally your decision to either get on the stand or waive your right to testify and not testify. You understand that?
I understand.
Okay. Which right do you wish to take advantage of? The one to testify or the one to not testify?
I'm on my right to not testify.
Right. All right. So do you in fact waive your right to testify in this case?
I do, in fact, Your Honor.
Counsel George.
Yes, Your Honor.
I believe that Mr. Mayer's waiver is knowing, free, and voluntary. I accept it. All right. Let's have the jury come in. They'll be told there may be a witness at 1:30. In the interim, the defense, you can ask for your exhibits to be admitted. I understand there's going to be no objection. The people have one additional exhibit. That will be moved in. Then I want to give the jury a 45-minute break. In that period of time, we will discuss the jury instructions informally, after which we will come out and formalize them on the record. After that, I will read the jury instructions to the jury. At some point, if the jury instructions go beyond 1:30, I'll stop reading the jury instructions so the remaining witness, if he testifies, we can take him out of order, and then I will resume the jury instructions. And that will be all for the day. Summations will be on Thursday. Is that the understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, you mentioned another exhibit from the people going there.
Yeah, they marked a DVD. It's the DVD from Complex.
Oh, so it was something new. That's all.
All right, let's have the jury. Record, our jurors have returned. All parties and counsel are present. I understand that Mr. Tacopina that there are no additional witnesses to be called by the defense.
Yes, Your Honor. The defense rests in this case and remove our exhibits into evidence.
All right, that would be A through EE. Any objection to A through EE?
No, Your Honor.
A through EE are admitted for the jury's consideration. There is one remaining exhibit that the people marked, which was number 44.
The people moved people's 44 into evidence as well, Your Honor.
No objection? All right, all of the exhibits are admitted for the jury's consideration. What's going to happen now is, I wasn't sure if we were going to have more witnesses or not. There may be one at 1:30, I don't know. But, so we don't waste a lot of time. We are going to talk about the jury instructions informally in the office. That'll take about half hour, thereabouts. Once we're finished, then we're going to have you come back into the courtroom, and I'm going to read the jury instructions. If there is a witness at 1:30, if I am still reading the jury instructions, I'll stop the jury instructions. The witness will testify. Once the witness is finished, then I'll resume the jury instructions. The jury instructions are going to take me about 35, 40 minutes to read. For those of you note takers, there's no reason to take notes because each one of you is going to get a package of jury instructions in the jury deliberation room. And as long as I'm talking about jury deliberations, you will not be deliberating in the jury deliberation room on this floor. You will be deliberating in the jury deliberation room in Department 115, which is on the 11th floor. So when you finally begin deliberations, you'll be escorted to the 11th floor into the jury deliberation room. Department 115 is my normal courtroom. So that's where you'll be deliberating. Once you arrive at a verdict, the verdict will be read in here in 102. Okay? All right, so it's 10:30, actually 10:24. I'd like you all to come back at 11. Be outside the courtroom doors at 11, as close to that time as possible. I'll begin reading the jury instructions. So, and there's no reason I won't be able to finish the court well. So leave all your materials on your desk. Remember, do not talk about the case. The case is not over. You have not been released to deliberate yet. So keep everything to yourself. All right, we'll see you at about 11. Let's go back.